Welcome to the Cow Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic of this video is function overloading that spans an inheritance hierarchy. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. Here, we have a typical example of a function having two overloaded implementations. Instead of overloading each other, one function hides the other if it is in a derived class. So in this example, the char function hides the int function. Even when you pass an integer parameter, the int function will not get called because it's hidden. Instead, that integer parameter will get coerced into a character. Hiding is still taking place even when you're dealing with a pointer to the base class. Now, passing a character parameter cannot call the char function because of the hiding. Even though we've programmed these functions using the virtual keyword, polymorphism does not take place here. Polymorphism only occurs when the parameters have the same exact type. So in this case, that character parameter will get coerced into an int. Here's an example where the types are exactly the same. So ordinary polymorphism does happen. Now, let's add overloading, but to only one of the two classes. When there is both overloading and polymorphism, resolve overloading first before applying polymorphism. This example passes a character parameter to the pointer to base class. First, overloading is resolved, which means that character gets coerced into an int. Then, because both classes define an int function, and the virtual keyword was used, polymorphism occurs. And so CR derived implementation gets called. It is a common programming pattern for many of a derived class's constructors to delegate to the base class. A new shortcut allows the derived class to inherit all of the base class's constructors. So this example with a using statement is equivalent to the previous example that had manually programmed delegation. The compiler doesn't care where you place this using statement because all inherited constructors maintain their accessibility from the base class's definition. This same technique can be used for any overload function, not only just for constructors. You also could have overloaded with the global scope by not writing anything before the double colon symbols.